Many people want to start recording video on their smartphones, and it's a great way to get started, and it's a great way to make videos so easily using a device that you always carry with you. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a little tech tip out of a tool that you can add to your video making toolbox right here. It's a clamp that holds your smartphone whenever you're recording. But the cool thing about this thing is it also has a hot shoe mount on it. So we're going to dive into the unboxing and explain this particular device or piece of tech in today's video. So let's get to it. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So in today's tech tip video, we're going to take a look at this new purchase I just got today from Amazon. It's the Manfrotto PIXI Clamp. PIXI Clamp. Clamp, that's what it's called. Well, today I'm recording out of my home studio. We're quarantined in. If you're watching this video in current times, you know about the whole coronavirus thing, and it's kind of got us all secluded and keeping us at home, which is okay because it gives me an opportunity to make more videos that may be helpful to you guys. And in today's video, we're going to dive into this thing here. I couldn't wait to get this because this is going to be a huge resource for me recording at home whenever I am using my smartphone. So now a lot of times whenever I am recording, I still use my phone because it's so good. I mean, I'm using the iPhone 11 Pro right now, and a lot of these newer smartphones, the video recording capabilities of these things are so good that they match the DSLRs and the mirrorless cameras pretty well, especially if you're just making videos for YouTube and you're not out there making movies or anything high quality. These smartphones can do the job. But also to enhance the recording capabilities of when you are recording with your smartphone is to use an external mic. Now the onboard microphones for smartphones are pretty good, but I like to level up a little bit by putting in maybe like a shotgun mount microphone that connects in there and kind of points to whoever you're recording, or in this case here, I'm recording with a wireless mic right here. It's a Rode Wireless Go mic and it's attached to my smartphone. And but one of the things about it is it's got two components to it, and I need to take one part of it, clip it onto myself, and then the other part gets clipped onto the phone. So this particular device that I got right now, it doesn't have a clip that I can actually slide it on there to hold a portion of my Rode Wireless Go mic. Let me show you. Okay, so right here, this is the portion that gets connected into my phone. As you can see, here's the lightning port cable that gets connected in there. And then this is the transmitter that you can see whenever I'm talking, it's bouncing there. But this gets connected on the top of my mount if I were to have a spot, because you see how it has a clip there. But unfortunately, this mount that I'm using right here doesn't have it. It's got a wheel here that helps tighten the clamp on the phone so that it's nice and secure, but there's nothing to mount my transmitter on, so therefore it just dangles, or I try to put it right here so that way it's not flopping around. But so I bought this Manfrotto device here that's got a spot on the very top that I can slide my transmitter on and clip it there. Or if you're using like a shotgun style, a hot shoe mount, you can slide it around here, and then this clamp will hold your cell phone. So let's open this thing up and put it on there and see how well it fits. Alright, so here it is. This is the Manfrotto PIXI Clamp. If anybody knows Manfrotto, they're a pretty good company as far as making any type of like devices that, like, they're really well known for their tripod devices. But they make clamps and a few other things. So, okay, so now the cool thing about this one is it's got two different places that you can mount it onto your tripod. So there you can see there's the threaded screw portion there, and then it's up here. So that way if you're recording like this and you want to record Instagram style where you're holding your phone in a vertical mode, you can do it that way. Or if you're recording on YouTube, you mount it in like that, and that way you can have a landscape, whether you're, if you want that landscape style recording. So I like that it's got those two different options on there. But here is how you lock it. So this thing here has got the Manfrotto logo. You take and you pull this, and it's got some strength there, but you pop that off like that. That unlocks it, and then you're able to take and pull it. So it's got some strength to it. So your phone is not going to fall out of this. But you then slide your phone in there like that, and then it'll hold it tight, and then you lock it in place like that, so that way it stays put and it won't, you can't pull it apart. So that's pretty strong. Now here's the whole reason I bought this was because this little portion right here, I can take and slide my transmitter, or maybe if I'm using a shotgun mic, right in there. But it's got that hot shoe mount built into there, so I can slide this in just like so. All right, so it's on there pretty good. That way, this is not dangling around, and it's held up pretty nice like that. So, yeah, it's gonna work out good for me. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this thing onto my tripod now, so that way you guys can see what it looks like on there. Okay, off with the old one. Put that one here. This is the portion that gets put onto the tripod, and I will screw this portion here on there. That way it holds it like that. Okay, there it is mounted on my tripod, and you would slide your phone right here, and then I can slide my microphone portion. Okay, then I can slide my microphone right on there, and then this would connect into my smartphone, and voila, no more dangling of the microphone transmitter, and it's on there nice and secure. And yeah, I think this is going to be a great little tool for my video making toolbox. Okay, so there it is. It's mounted on there. I'm recording with my smartphone right now with my Rode Wireless Go mics hooked into there, and it's all set up. And now here's the thing, when I did unlock it, it's got some strength on there to unlock it, so you really got to pull it. But I guess that's a good thing. That means it's not loose and it won't come undone. But yeah, this is going to work, and I'll have a link in the description down below if you want to get one of these Manfrotto PIXI clamps. But I think it's going to be a good addition to my video making toolbox. Everybody's got to have a bunch of little tools whenever they're out there recording in different kinds of situations. So you got to be well prepared. And as you go, as you get better at recording, or as you make more videos and get better at doing this, you'll find that your gear tends to expand, and you start getting a collection of different things that you can use. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. It was just a quick little tip video, but if it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back on the next one. So until then, get out there and be creative.